Easter baskets full.
Not Easter baskets.
New Valentine's bunny count.
What is it, Charlie?
Charlie, look at
Did say Nick get you guys what you wanted?
Cool.
Did he write you back, Quinn?
Yeah. Whoa, he wrote a lot.
Did he?
He said this. Hello, Quinn. I am so glad you enjoyed my gift. I rarely give living animals, but I knew you and your brother Charlie would give him all the love he needs. Theo is a lucky kitty. Chippy is a fine elf. I would be proud to be his father, but he belongs to his elf pair. Many children ask me about Santa. I am actually much older than him. Whoa.
Oh.
Santa.
He's not Santa. He's older than Santa, huh?
Oh. How I admire his work.
He admires Santa's work.
We both love nothing more than to give gifts to wonderful children like you and Charlie. I will be sure to tell him we talked. Thank you for your very nice letter. All my love, St. Nicholas.
Oh, nice.
Cool.
Is there candy in that shoe, too?
I walk by my niece without getting on film.
Sure.
Candy cane. Christmas tree. Ooh, chocolate cone.
What do you think, Charlie?
Cat.
Oh, I can see this. I guess cats don't wear shoes, so we didn't put any out for you.
Cat, no shoes.
Charlie, can I see one of your smiles? Ah, love you guys.